What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? That's it. I'm here on a job. Okay, we're going to be changing an outdoor floodlight. Let's see what it looks like. It's above this garage. Ooh, we're up at the peak, bro. Okay, so we're pretty high. We're going to see if my ladder reaches. If not, I'm going to show you how you get an extra 4 feet. Okay, nice and stable, and I'll show you how we work it. I see a little crack in that siding. Okay, if you could see it above the window, I'd like to make note of that. This way I'm not responsible when I come down. Okay, all in all, it's a nice, neat house, clean. Looks like the vinyl siding. It's that fake wood look, but it looks nice. All right, well, stay tuned, and we're gonna set this ladder up, and we're gonna get up there and see what we have with this fixture. That right light's hanging real low. The other one probably into the neighbor's yard, so we'll take it from there and see what we got. Up is, put the ladder there. I put the truck right behind it. And I'm up secured, but if in case this ladder ever slides, I'll go right into my truck and it'll support me. All right, you want to work safe when you're working, you know, over 20 feet. You want to take your time, make sure you set up nice and easy. I might get this truck a little bit closer. This way when I'm up there, I feel more secure, like if someone were holding the ladder. All right, I'm up here. Right behind there was a little rubber grommet in the middle. That's where the screw is. You're going to take that screw out, and we're going to be able to take this fixture off, and we'll put the new one on. But when you're working a loft, be safe. Always have a 3-point contact on your ladder. It's an important thing when you're working on electrical. Always have a tester. Make sure it's good, and always test your wires. I got no electric, so I'm good. I know the power's off. All right, let me take this off and we'll get back to you in a minute. Bring the old fixture down and prepare the new one on the ground. Now you're gonna have your gasket, okay, on the new one. Make sure all your stuff is here in the box, okay? There's our gasket, here's our fixture, okay? You wanna prepare all this on the ground so you don't have to do as least amount as possible when you're in the air, okay? This light was purchased at the local Home Depot. It's a nice looking light. They actually had to order it. They didn't have it in stock. But yeah, it's a cool looking light, LED. And we're gonna take it from there and see what happens. All right, so remember, prepare your stuff on the ground, and then we're gonna head back up there and we're gonna install it. One important thing, keep all your ends nice and neat before you get up the ladder, and get the Mago grip. If you don't know what that is, check out one of my videos. You take the screws here that are all loose that you need up on that ladder. All right, we're going to put them on the Mago grip, and I'm going to show you what that does. Okay. I'm going to put these ends in my pocket. The Mago grip. See that? Nothing falls off. It frees up my hand for when I get up there and I need the screws. Alright, so we're finished. It's all installed. What I like to do with these jobs, and it's not with all of them, but when I'm installing a light fixture for a customer and it's high, they can't reach it and it's dangerous, I offer to come back. I tell them to call me in the evening. Let me know if they're happy with the sensor and the way it's working, okay? And I have no problem swinging back at no charge, okay? It's got to be over, 20 feet high. I have no problem swinging back and making sure they're happy with the way the positioned and the sensors are working. But right now he's happy with the job. I'm happy with it. And that's it. I want to thank you guys for watching. And remember, if you could help someone out there and they're having a tough time with budgets and they're on a fixed income, maybe an elderly person, if you can help someone and do a job for free, do the job, okay? I've done a lot of free jobs. I've helped out a lot of people. I'm not in a position to give all my work away because I have to support a family, okay? I don't want to get into my personal life, but if there's someone out there you can help, do it, because it comes back 100 times over. Trust me when I tell you that. All right, have a good day. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. I'm on my way to get the machines and the blowers. I got to blow some leaves today, kid. And we'll catch you on the next one. And remember, the most important thing of all, and you all know what to do, like the video. You know, if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what the hell you're thinking about. Subscribe, kid. There's a lot more to come. And I do appreciate all the new subscribers I'm picking up. All right, well, have a nice rest of the weekend. And we'll talk to you soon. And no, Sonny's not with me. Well, wait a minute. Let me see if I can catch him. Yo, Sonny! Are you there, kid? Hey, yo, Sonny! There you go. You thought I was going to forget you, my boy, Sonny. What do you say, Sonny? What are you eating? Oh, come on, man. All right, we'll catch you on the next one, right, Sonny?